APLD stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Applied Digital stock, it's already sitting at 971, and honestly it's in this correction phase. All I'm looking to further do is just hopefully double down so I can take it further up and buy. And because I began making videos when this thing is at $5, I do have proof, right? I do have receipts. At that given time it was 560, and then we reached like a $15 high. We got another long here, but the only thing that I would care about is another double break, right? What I mean by that is wanted to see the second break taking place. We kind of got the lows clearing out, but it's just the wicks, so I don't really count the wicks that much. So all I will stay with is just the exact same idea and just keep waiting, you know, because forcing those longs is just not going to be happening. So I do have a lot of previous receipts with APLD in the Discord. And if you want to learn the sauce and Discord, absolutely risk-free, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people already tried it.